Good morning, Midshipman. Good morning, Ma'am. We are Group 4. I'm Kamal Yashan Michael, and my member is Lester Katangi and Danilo Carillo. Our topic for today is plate type heat exchanger. Our topic for today is plate type heat exchanger and how does a plate heat exchanger work and the four main types of plate heat exchanger. The plate type heat exchanger is very commonly and very efficiently. The purpose is to transfer thermal energy in one fluid and one system to another without the two fluids mixing together. What is plate type heat exchanger? A plate type heat exchanger or PHA is a highly efficient device that consists of multiple heat transfer plates held in a place by a fixed and loose pressure plate. The gasket arrangement is on each heat transfer plate provides two separate channel systems that enable the primary and secondary media to flow in a counter-current manner without mixing.
How does a plate heat exchanger work? A plate heat exchanger, or PHE, is a highly efficient device that consists of multiple heat transfer plates held in a place by a fixed and a loose pressure plate. The gasket arrangement on each heat transfer plate provides two separate channel systems that enable the primary and secondary media to flow in a counter-current manner without mixing. This feature, coupled with the corrugated plates that create turbulence in the fluids, results in an effective heat transfer coefficient. The plate heat exchanger designs consists of multiple heat transfer plates secured by a stationary and a movable pressure plate. It forms a comprehensive assembly. Each heat transfer plate features a gasket system, which provides two independent channel networks. The gasket arrangement allows for through flow in a single channel, facilitating counter-current flow of primary and secondary media while preventing their mixing due to the gasket designs. The turbulence caused by corrugated plates as fluids course through the assembly increases the effective heat transfer coefficient, enabling efficient thermal exchange. Gasketed plate heat exchangers, GPHEs, are designed to optimize heat transfer between two fluids or gases. The plates used in a gasketed plate heat exchangers are equipped with elastomeric gaskets that seal the channels and the direct mediums into alternating channels. The plate pack is placed between a frame plate and a pressure plate and compressed using bolts between the plates. It has an upper carrying bar supports the channel and pressure plate, which are fixed in position in a lower guiding bar on the support column. This design facilitates easy cleaning and modification by adding or removing plates. That's all.
The four main types of plate heat exchanger. When it comes to plate exchanger, there are four primary types optimized for efficient heat transfer across various industrial applications. Number one is a gasketed plate heat exchanger. Gasketed plate heat exchanger, known for their reliable sealing, are designed to facilitate effective heat exchange. They employ a high quality gasket to ensure a secure seal, preventing any potential heat loss or leakage. The flexibility of this exchange makes them ideal for application requiring precise temperature control and efficient heat transfer. So, ang gasketed plate exchanger daw ay maasahan sa sealing. Ito daw ay disenyo para mapadali ang heat exchange. And also, ito daw ay may potential para maiwasan ang pagtagas ng init or heat. And the number 2 is braze plate exchanger. In demanding industrial environments, braze plate exchanger excel in delivery high heat transfer rates. Their compact design and efficient heat exchanger capabilities makes them a cost-effective solution for heating and cooling process. So, the braze plate exchanger daw ma'am ito daw ay may mataas na rate sa heat transfer, and ito daw ay disenyo para sa cost-effective na may proseso para sa pagpainit at pagpalamig ng exchanger. And number 2 is weld plate heat exchanger. Designed for heavy-duty application involving high temperatures and corrosive substances, weld plate exchanger provide robust and durable heat exchanger solution. The welding plates creates a secure and leak-proof configuration, making them suitable for critical processes that demand reliable and efficient heat transfer. So, the weld plate exchanger daw ay matatag at matibay sa heat transfer. At ito daw ay dinisenyo para sa heavy duty. And the last is semi-weld plate exchanger. Combining the advantage of both weld and gasketed plates, semi-weld plate heat exchange are engineered to balance efficiency and serviceability. These exchangers feature pair of plates that are both weld and gasketed, offering an optimal solution for application requiring precise control over heat transfer and temperature regulation. So, ang naman daw, ang semi-weld plate exchanger ay pinagsama-samang weld at gasket plate. So, yun lang.